In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and associate multiple objects in one file in HubSpot. If you're looking to streamline your data management process, this tutorial will guide you through each step to ensure a smooth import. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by directing your attention to the left sidebar in your HubSpot dashboard. There you will see an icon for CRM. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to managing your contacts and other data efficiently. Next, once you're inside the CRM section, go ahead and click on the Contacts tab. This is essential because contacts are typically the hub of most interactions within HubSpot, and managing them effectively can drastically impact your overall CRM experience. As you navigate through the Contacts section, look for an arrow next to the Add Contact button. Clicking this arrow will reveal additional options. From the drop-down menu, select Import. This action will initiate the process of bringing new data into your HubSpot system. Now that you've clicked on Import, continue by selecting Import Data. This option will direct you to the necessary tools and settings to begin your import journey. Following that, you'll see an option labeled Start Import. Click on this to move forward with your process. At this stage, HubSpot will present you with several choices to make. You'll need to select one or more import options depending on your data type and the configuration you want to apply. Be mindful of the options that best fit your needs before proceeding. After making your selection, it's time to hit Next. This will bring you to a screen that offers further instructions specific to your selected import type. Be sure to read these on-screen prompts carefully, as they will provide vital information tailored to your import process. When you're ready, click on the Choose a File button. Here, you will browse your computer or network for the file you wish to import. Make sure that your file is formatted correctly according to HubSpot's guidelines to avoid any potential errors. Once you've selected your file and confirmed it's uploading, go ahead and click on Next once more. As you proceed, follow any remaining on-screen instructions. These final prompts are crucial to ensuring that your data is mapped and associated correctly once it is inside HubSpot. And there you have it. You successfully imported and associated multiple objects in one file in HubSpot. By following these steps carefully, you can ensure that your data is organized, accessible, and ready for action, enhancing your ability to connect and communicate effectively within the HubSpot platform. Thanks for watching. Thanks.